On this 66th Ganarajyotsava day, well dressed, march past, and all this. This reminds me today of the school where I have studied. Really, I feel the school life is a golden period for any child in his lifetime. Because you don't have many responsibilities, tensions, or any other activities, except you have to study and you have to obey your parents and teachers. That's what I expect from you all. Really, you have to enjoy your study. Whatever you do, you have to enjoy your study. ಇಂದು ನಾವು 66ನೇ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ 66 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಮುಂದುವರೆದಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್, ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾವಿನ್ನು ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ದೇಶ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕಾರಣ ನಾವಿನ್ನು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ರಿಲಯಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸಫಿಶಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಅನ್ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಹಿಂದುಳಿದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಮುಂದುವರಿಕೆ. ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. Science is the basic of everything. Influence of science can be seen in every walk of life. You take engineering, you take medicine, you take anywhere, everywhere you can see the science. Right from the kitchen to the flight, everywhere you can see the science. For example, you can take communication field. In case of communication field, earlier you had handheld phones, landline phones. Now you have mobile phones, handheld phones. Similarly, you had computers. Earlier, computers were such a huge computer. Now you can see a handheld computer. See, the science has brought so much change in everybody's life. It has increased the comfort of everybody in the life. You can see it even in your kitchen, where you have all electronic gadgets, where you can cook, where you have electronic machines, washing machines, everything. And every household is filled with all electronic equipments. This is because of science. How we have come up when we compare to the earlier days, where radios were so large. Now where your TVs are being placed, earlier radios were being kept in that place. Such a huge radios were used, but now the radio is in your pocket. It is inside your pocket. It's such a small transistor is being there. So all this is because of development of science. How this has evolved? Because people have thought all innovative ideas, creativity and inventions, all this made them to come out with different ideas. My dear students, what I would like to say is, all that you have, all creative ideas, innovation ideas, you should come out. It is not that whatever you study for the sake of exam you should study. You have to bring out your all innovative ideas. Whether it is whatever subject you select, whether you select arts, science, medicine, engineering, agriculture, any field, but you have to be at the top. You have to enjoy your study. The more you enjoy your study, you will feel the subject is easy. There is nothing more beyond that. So when you study, enjoy and study, you get lot of innovative ideas. For example, you take your mother. She may be cooking for you every day delicious foods, and she may be packing you all delicious food in the morning. So what she will ask you, what do you want, my kid? Then you will tell, I want noodles, I want idli, dosa, whatever you like you do. Then she will prepare with lot of love, and she will enjoy the cooking and prepare. And sometimes she will make some innovative and delicious food for you. That is why, because she loves cooking and she enjoys cooking. Once you enjoy the cooking, you get innovative ideas. Same way, I want you to tell is that when you study, when you enjoy your subjects, you get all different innovative ideas. With these ideas, you can come up. You can put your ideas. And at the same time, I want you all to study and to reach the top of the subject you have selected. Even if we see, even in space technology also, India is not behind. Right from Aryabhatta to Chandrayaan to now Mars, we have reached to the Mars also. All this is because of science and technology and the effort put by our scientists and all innovative ideas that has come. See, when we were launching for the satellite MOM, we had lot of challenges faced across us. So we had a communication challenge because the spacecraft has to go to 300 million kilometers, beyond 300 million kilometers. And we should establish the communication right from the Earth to its crucial phase until it reaches the Mars. So this communication was a challenge, and we have put lot of innovative ideas how to communicate with the spacecraft. And even when it is going on the way, we don't have some places communication link. So during that period, we had put some automation also. Similarly, we had challenges in power generation, we had challenges in autonomy, so many features. All these features are because of innovative ideas that has come to the people's mind. So all of you, what I would like to suggest is, you show your interest, you put up what you want to know, you ask questions, then only you will come to know the different type of the things that are going to take place. And at the same time, I would like to tell you, one thing you should not forget, my dear students, that is always you should show attitude of gratitude, right? Because you are born in this beautiful world and the people all are very good people. So when you are born in this beautiful world and your parents who are blessed, you are getting blessings from your parents, teachers and your elders. So when you are blessed by your parents, teachers and all, you are an empowered person. So you will have a lot of confidence. Once you have the confidence, you can move ahead to do all the things what you need to achieve your goal. That is what I would like to tell. Always remember the attitude of gratitude. So what you have to do is always Runa. You have to show the Runa to your parents. How you can show this to them is by achieving your goal and reaching to the top position, so that the parents and the elders can praise at you. Once parents are proud of you, they definitely feel that you are very precious to them. And one more responsibility for all of you is, once you are born to this world, you have to show the world what you are and what is the contribution you can give to the world. It is your responsibility to the society also, so that you have to improve the society. All comes from your young mind. You are the future generations of India. So all that is in your hand. You have to take up India to the peak of its proud. You have to make India much more proud. So you have to fight for all the things, right from peaceful. Now the India is facing terrorism, poverty and all this. All this has to be removed. It is all in the future of your hands. So at the last, what I would like to say is, I want you all to study and enjoy the most. You have to enjoy your study. The more you enjoy your study, you will definitely be the success in your field, whether medicine, engineering, agriculture, arts, science, any field. Try to enjoy your study and you will find the subject is very easy and you can achieve your goal at the most. With this, I would like to tell Best of luck for your coming exams and for your future. Thank you.